Welcome to the StarkDefi tutorial. This video will teach you how to use the StarkDefi Testnet. In this guide, I will walk you through the process of swapping and adding or removing liquidity on the StarkDefi platform. First, on the left-hand side of the platform, you will see the products that are currently on offer, which at the moment is only the AMM. Selecting this will expand to swap, liquidity, and limit orders. The quality feature is still under development and will be available soon. In the swap section, you will find the current price of a transaction on StarkNet, which is explained when you hover over it. In the settings, you can adjust the slippage tolerance or transaction deadlines manually, or auto-adjust it. To begin, the first step is to connect your wallet. Select Bravos, or Argent X, depending on your preferred wallet. Next you can see your account balance. The available options for swapping are DAI, Ethereum, USDC, USDT, and wrapped BTC. Note that there is currently no liquidity for USDT on StarkNet. If you wish to swap from Ethereum to DAI, you can either type in the amount manually or choose from the fractionalized percentages. You can also view additional details such as the current price of the transaction cost, expected amount, route, slippage, and price impact. Once you are ready to swap, confirm the transaction and sign it. You can test out swapping with USDC or wrapped BTC, and your transaction history will be recorded on the right-hand side of the platform. You can also add or remove liquidity by selecting the liquidity section and following the prompts there. When you are finished using the platform, simply disconnect your wallet. Remember to join the Discord and other socials, and to give your feedback on the testnet. This helps the teams, and helps build a strong product. Links to the testnet and the platform socials can be found in the description. I hope this guide has been helpful in navigating the StarkDefi testnet. Follow for more videos on various testnets and the latest launches.